Alright. Alright, guys. Hold on, let me fix the stands for my mic. Getting ready to trade now. Oh, it's the it just started. Yeah, it broke the new highs. Definitely gonna come back and retrace and stuff. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens there. I'm gonna be honest. It's not a lot of good trades today. So yeah, except this one. This one's going crazy. This is going crazy. Oh, I don't even know. Damn. $4 for 7 for 14. This is the only trade that's like we right here. And what it's gonna do, I think, is might go to $4 and maybe come back to 170.76. But who knows? And then the stop loss, is the stop loss reasonable? It's a huge wick to the $4. Boom. Here. Ooh, finish right under. That's not good. This one has a break above, but you know what I'm saying, you never know. But to be honest, there might not be any trades today for real, man. I don't see any like good trades that might be happening today. Like today, there was like barely anything that looked good today. So I don't know. Okay, $4. Cool. Oh, that's it. Let's finish about 4. But you gotta see what this guy wants to do. Oh, finish right under 4. That's not good. 416. Me finish around 415. Also 1010 and 34 cents. Yeah, we saw all of it just because I finished a little bit under. I was kind of hoping for above 415, and that's what I was looking for because that could have been a new high. But other than that, that's not a terrible trade that we took there. Just waiting for something better. Look, it's starting at 15. I'm telling you, if it passes 14 and stays up there, I think we might get to 442 even higher. What is it? Yeah, look, I finished right under 415. And that's not good. Yeah, you see how like a ranging right there. I got for like a really small percentage, like a really small. I don't know, it's 34 cents. I seen it. I was like, it hit. What about 415 right here? I was like, if it stays right there, then good. But I kind of want to buy kind of the finishes there. I don't think I bought a kind of the finish there. Yeah, I didn't. I bought it in this candle. So right now it's like you saw, it was boom right here. Quite a bit rejected to this line. So this is a very strong support right here. Look, see, he rejected that level. It's hard. I'm telling you, the reason why I punt this is because it's the previous, and if it stops from right here, we have a higher chance to go 440 to even new higher highs and then get out. Cause like it just spikes up real quick, like. Yeah, but I got out quick just because like there wasn't nothing that I was seeing that I liked, so I was like, there's no point in continuing going and stuff, because if I end up keep going and stuff, I'm not gonna end up like really getting a good trade here. Okay, negative. Yeah, this stock is in a complete range right now. But we'll just wait for tomorrow. You know, we finished a little early today. Nothing really showing too much. And a lot more better. Oh my god, today is a lot more better. Of course, I didn't win it, but look how small I kept my loss. I kept it at only 34 cents. Like I only lost 34 cents. That's how small I want to keep them. I want to keep them $1 or less. That's how small I want to keep my losses. And my profit, I'm trying to at least make up to, obviously, 2 to 1 to 2, but I'll most likely to a rate of 1 to 3. So if I risk $1 to make $3. But even if I get 2, that's still good. But you know, I'm trying to keep that 1 to 3. It just gives me a better. But this stock went crazy up, man. Like went $40 and then rejected crazy up. Like if you really think about it, that's just like that's insane for that this price. Like I would have made 4. There you go, broke. It broke 415 415, and I think we're gonna start selling off a lot right here. It might go back. It might go up to $4, then reject. Yeah. Like people are just gonna buying. I don't know why people are buying, but I say it's gonna reject from 4 and then gonna go under past once. It's gonna hit 175 and then past 175. I'm gonna see a huge sell off. But I'm done with the trade, man. We're gonna look back and see like our trade and stuff, and we're gonna like obviously get my analysis to it, and we have a better understanding. So let's just do that right now because I'm already done with this trade. I'm just kind of looking at just a little just interest and see what's going on. So I'm just pull up my channel real quick, and we're gonna review our trade that we had today. Okay. So as you know, this is around the 4 minute. Like this wasn't my time to pull up. This didn't look a good candle. And look, right when the 5 minute happens, listen, it goes to 4 and then it rejects crazy. This is the it goes straight to $4. And look at this. I kind of think, oh shit, I might have to. Boom, just fucking rejects. It's crazy. And I'm like, oh shit, this stock is very volatile. Like it's very scary. It got to 176 to $4, maybe $4.04. Which honestly, yeah, if you would have known that, you would have got out quick. This 96 minus 28 cents. Actually, pretty good, decent. But they didn't get out the trade fast. Like you would have buy here and like boom, get all the way to 411. You probably want to sell half right here and then. But right here when I was looking, I'm like, I had to break 176, so I'm just waiting for break 176, and it does, and it shoots right up, and look, we're gonna shoot there. I think it goes. This one goes to. No, is this the one that go for 40? And boom! Right when I was trying to buy, it literally skyrocket. Look. Like right here, look how fast that moves. It's a 4. That's where I want to buy. I want to buy a 4. But look how crazy it looks. 4, 8, 4, 9, 10, 4, 11, 4, 12, 401, 3, 9, 3. Like, what the hell? Like, what the heck is going on? And then it's going. It's picking up. 408. boom to 24 and then 416 so fast, and it hits back to the 76. And it stays at 4, which I'm like, oh, that's bullish. But it has to finish above it, so that's why I didn't buy. So right here, it's like 415. I seen that's a really struggle area that is hard to push. Let's just see what if we're able to stay above. So on this one, I'm looking. Did I get in this one? No. Oh yeah, I do. I think I do get in this one. There you go, buy right there, but it goes, and I'm thinking, all right, it just has to finish 415, but it wasn't going back up, and that's what kind of scared me. But I was like, okay, cool, like it's going. All right, did a little, it hit that, and I'm like, oh my, it finished under. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna look to sell right here. Oh, I clicked flatten, that's why everything went out. Yeah, but look, I got out soon because I knew it was gonna come back up to the 4, so I got 412, and I just got out because I was like, it finished under it, and I never get things that are under. Like this one, I was kind of like seeing, like, okay, it was hitting, okay, went up. If it hits 415, but we're gonna see 440. Honestly, I did like that trade. That's more of like more of a trade that I would take. All right, so that makes sense why I took it, and then it just kind of just didn't win my way. So, you know what I'm saying, that's just unfortunate. But what I learned basically is like one trade that I'm always so confident to take is that if it keeps rejecting from one level, especially like safest right here, right? Like say the trade that I wanted, how I wanted to go, and it was making sense. You saw right here that I pulled back and it went back up to 415. I was like, okay, that's where I want, and I want this to stay before the end of the candle. So I was like, okay, I gotta see now. If it, like you saw, if it went under and it went down here, I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna get out. I'm just gonna wait so it pulls back up, because it usually pulls back to 415 usually, and then it comes to a big reject. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna wait. It pulls back here, boom, get out, boom, and I'm out of the trade. I don't have to wait, and that's what I did, and that's how I got out. But if it went on my way, this is what I would have done. All right, so if it finished at 415, say if it went down and went back up to 415, now what I'm looking at, all right, we're gonna go to 440. That's my next target. 440 is my next target. I would have took half, which I'll put this for 5 shares. I would have took half right there to see if it pushed any longer. Pause. And if it did, I'll see how fast it goes up the other one, and I'll kind of dictate there, all right, should I get out here or should I stay? And that's when I kind of play with the extra 5, right? And you know what I'm saying? And what I'm going to do is basically, if it goes more higher from this, all I'm going to do is punt this to break even my stop loss. So whatever, if I lose or whatever, I still have my stop loss at break even. So in the end of the day, I still make profit because I sold the $5 beforehand. And that's kind of like my risk tolerance, and that's how like I want to like see myself trading stuff. But that's if I went my way. But now that didn't happen, right? It took a long time to really push. And I'm looking right now, it literally rejected so much right now, and literally like kind of fell. Right now, I'll show you guys right now what I mean. But yeah, that's what kind of happened and stuff. What kind of just exit out? Yeah, we're not gonna need YouTube. Yeah, look, it rejected it in 179. But you know what's the crazy part? Oh, that's why it's not. Oh, it did. It look what I told y'all, bro. What I told y'all. I told you it was gonna come at 179. It's gonna reject and hit all the way to the lows of 61. That's huge. That's 16 cents right there. But look, I would have, if I was you guys, man, I would have looked at 4, because I was right here. So there was a big break right here, and it was big break right here. Boom, and we'll buy at 4. And then sell half at 716, and then just see if it pulls back anymore. And that's what I would do if I was short selling. But like I said, I can't short sell. I don't know anything about how to short. I know like there's strategies to it, but I don't know how to even short. Like I don't think I can because I cash count. But even when I have margin, I think it's very hard to borrow shares, with your broker with these type of stocks that are very low, of like, you know, of like. No wait, is these stocks? Whoa, this just still have crazy amount of volume. This one has 109. That one had. Yeah, this one has the most volume. It's picking up. Well, I went to $4 and rejected. Alright. Oh, what's it done for the day, man? Like I said, I'm gonna chill one time. And I feel like it's just good for your psychology. That's what I do, man. I want to trade one time every morning. It is tempted to trade again, but I feel like training myself to only trade one time, find really good A setups, will help me a lot in the long term. And I'm still trying to find A plus setup. I still make mistakes. You saw yesterday that I made a huge, you know what I'm saying, error in my trading, and I really pay the price for it, literally. And that's all comes with like experience and understanding and stuff. So I saw that and I kind of understood, look, damn, like I gotta be more careful on my trading. I gotta keep us true. And so basically, right, like one thing I gotta learn, and something that I'm trying to be good at, and I found out that works for me, is like before I get in a trade, right, so when I find breakout trades, really, what I do is like it has to break above it. If it breaks and I retest this one level, then I'm more confident to get in. And that's what I seem to myself. So it's like you saw, like this, like just like this. Say if it breaks above right here, this one breaks above, and then I'm like, okay, cool. And then it's right here, breaks a little bit above, just right here, and it comes back down to $4. Even if it brings it down a little bit and it comes back for 4, if it stays right there like that, then that right there is confirmation for me to get in. And I'll get in, and then I'll have a stop loss, or you know, a 490, because I'm on 10 and then I'm looking for 415, boom, sell, and then all the way to 4. Will be the next one will be right here, 425, boom, get out. Right, that will be my strategy. But yeah, ooh, it broke. Oh, you know what it's doing? It's gonna go lower, it's gonna go up, and then low back down to these, and then go lower. All right. But yeah, that's pretty much it though. That's pretty much it. I think before I leave, man, I'll just read you guys a little quote that I saw and stuff. About the Buddha's, you know what I'm saying? The Buddha quotes. I love reading these. They really like make you understand more about, like, you know. I'll just read you guys for the first one I ever read. I'm gonna read you guys the most famous one. It is, the root of suffering is attachments. You know. There you go, something to take in, and you know, it's very true, man. You can't be attached to a lot of things, man. If I was attached to the stock market, I would be suffering basically, because I'll be literally emotion, and that's what you hear, man. You have to be emotionless a little bit when it comes to trading. You know, you don't want to put too much emotion into trading, because I will cloud your judgment, and it really like mess you, like really kind of like, you know, do things that kind of ruin your trades and stuff. But that's something that you gotta take, man. Just, you know, like today, man, like just risk management your account. If you make money, you make money. If you don't, you don't. And you know what I'm saying? You just learn. If you didn't make money, you learn from it. If you make money, you learn from it. And you just, from just having that viewpoint, you like start to understand more about yourself and more about your strategy, and like the way how you deal with certain situations when you see in this, like in the charts. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna get off, man. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be here again tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna be here again tomorrow. On Friday. Today's Thursday, right? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow's the last day until the market closes on Saturday, and then once that closes, that's it, man. We'll come back on Monday. And then next week is the end of August. And yeah, next week's the end of August. And like I said, I'm gonna do a whole month over, like a whole recap of the whole month of how it did, what I did right, what I did wrong, and I'm gonna show you guys my win, my win and losses. Like I mark them down on my phone, so I get to see if I was profitable in the week or not, and I'll show you if I've been profitable in the month or not. And I'll show you my progress. So that's basically gonna show you my risk management in trading when I show you my win to losses this month of August, and I'll give you guys my game plan for the next month of September. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna get off for real this time, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure.